The Lenovo Legion Y900 is truly a remarkable device, boasting an impressive tablet-like experience that sets it apart from other tablets on the market. With its 14.5-inch screen, it surpasses the screen size of many notebooks available today. The sheer size of the display creates a visually immersive experience, perfect for multimedia consumption, productivity tasks, and gaming. The tablet-like appearance of the Lenovo Legion Y900 offers a seamless blend of portability and functionality. Despite its larger screen size, it remains lightweight and easy to carry, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a tablet while on the go. The device's sleek and modern aesthetics further enhance its appeal, making it an eye-catching companion for any occasion. The measured weight of the 14.5-inch Y900 is 730 grams, which is indeed heavier than ordinary tablets, but the basic thickness is only 5.85 millimeters, so it is really cool to play games or even watch videos and browse the web with such a large screen. The whole tablet is mainly made of aluminum, and the top glass cover is integrated with the storage area of the camera, Legion logo and magnetic stylus. The aluminum back cover below is actually a whole set of magnetic suction system is hidden to connect the magnetic absorption protective cover specially developed by Lenovo for the Y900, the magnetic support plate, and this fantastic keyboard that turns the Y900 into a notebook. Putting on the keyboard, the weight of the entire Y900 will reach a new level. The measured total weight can reach 1.34 kilograms. If the magnetic support plate is put on, the weight can further climb to 1.47 kilograms, which does not include the touchscreen. With the keyboard removed, if it is only used with the magnetic support plate, the weight will be 865 grams. If it is used with the normal protective cover, the weight will be about 1.0 kilograms, so it is still a bit stressful to use the Y900 in its entirety. Going back to this set of keyboards, apart from the name and weight, the use of this set of keyboards is still worthy of my praise. First of all, although this is a set of keyboards for tablet computers, the appearance and usability are still very good. The touchpad below is indeed a little smaller. In addition, this keyboard has 2 levels of adjustable backlight, but unfortunately the backlight is turned on manually, and the backlight will be turned off by default every time the keyboard is reconnected. 14.5 inches, with a resolution of 3000 by 1876. The key point is that this is an OLED panel that supports a display refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and supports low brightness 1920 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. I believe everyone is familiar with the Dimensity 9000 platform. The storage and flash memory of the Y900 also support the highest specifications. It is equipped with 12 GB of LPDDR5X storage, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 memory. Such a large tablet must be equipped with a battery with a large enough capacity, so Lenovo directly plugged a 12,300 mAh battery into the Y900, which is also the largest capacity among the tablets we have tested, and it should also be the largest capacity on the market. It is a flat panel battery, and it is matched with a 68-watt fast charge. The official said that it can be charged to 80% in 48 minutes. In our laboratory, when the Y900 is 1% charged, it is connected to the factory standard charger. It is measured that 20% of the charge can be replenished in 10 minutes, more than half of the charge is half an hour, and it takes 50 minutes to charge to 80%, which is consistent with the official announcement in the end. It was fully charged at 77 minutes, showing 100% power. This performance is already very good for such a large tablet, and the highest temperature recorded on the back during charging did not exceed 37.5 degrees centigrade. As an Android tablet under Lenovo's Legion brand of positioning performance, the Y900 is as full as possible in performance and experience, and is a large-sized tablet, or a tablet that takes into account the form of a notebook as much as possible. The Y900 is also efforts have been made on notebook-like attributes, such as the interconnection, file sharing, multi-screen and multitasking scenes on the ZUI15 system, and there is even a Type-C port that supports DP-in input, which can be connected to other computers, phones, etc., act as touch screens, but the real experience is still hindered by the Android system, and it cannot replace serious notebooks for the time being, so Y900 is better than the so-called notebook tablet field. The richer usage scenarios of ordinary tablet computers seem to be sufficient at present. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.